מדינתי.
And the horrible things that he's gone through, and losing an arm, healing from it, and then this was not the outcome that we hoped for, and the heart breaks. All day you woke up, I heard the news, and I just felt my heart was broken all day, and it felt the least I could do to come with my son and show up and say that I care, and I'm so sorry that this happened to you.
כולם יתברך ויתרומם שמך ועל כן תמיד עולם העד וכל החיים ותוך הסלע והלדת שלך באמת.
Embassies to come forward and light a candle. Thank you. Please, ladies, last night we had to give our condolences to an American family, American citizen who was killed in the tunnels. That is not something that we take lightly. It is a deep, deep wound. And our condolences, our heartfelt condolences, but also our outrage is something that we want to share. And we've got to get this done, and we've got to get it done soon.
I'd like to quote a great U.S. American citizen, Martin Luther King, calling about the urgency of now. These are times of urgency, and we have gotten the support of the Union of Israel, the workers, to go on strike tomorrow as an indication of the urgency of now. And we urge also our international community partners and friends from the US, Germany, and others. We have no time.
Yes, what are you doing?